Good day sa Bilenyo at narito tayo ngayon approaching sa North Star Mall, Ilagan City at bibisitahin natin ang build to sell ng California Home Subdivision. Yan, approaching Ilagan City, North Star Mall. Ano nga ba ang build to sell? Build-to-sell model in real estate focuses on constructing ready-for-occupancy properties designed for immediate sales. This approach prioritizes delivering completed homes that eliminate risks associated with delays and unfulfilled promises common in pre-selling models. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ginagawa muna yung mga bahay with or without buyer bago i-offer for sale sa merkado. Dito, hindi required na mag-cash out ka ng malakihang percentage of down payment. O eto, approaching tayo sa Pure Gold Alibago, isa sa bagong establishmento dito sa Alibago, Ilagan City. Then isa pang advantage ng build to sell ng California Home Single Attached, kung sa typical nabibili ka ng property, magda-down payment ka, then after down payment, saka gagawin yung bahay, waiting ka ng 6 to 8 months. Dito, hindi na. So, most likely since ginagawa na nila, maybe as soon as possible makaka-move in ka na. So ito, isa naman landmark dito yung Alibago Elementary School. At habang papunta tayo sa California Home Subdivision, pag-usapan pa natin ang advantage ng build to sell. Una dito, immediate ownership. Buyers can move in or use the property right after completing the straightforward payment. It can also eliminate waiting for periods, allowing families to settle in or investors to earn from rentals right away. Dahil nga ready for occupancy na yung mga units, kapag na-offer sa merkado, pwede nang lipatan o pwede nang iparent out. So dito, turn right tayo. Ito ang way papuntang California Home. So unang madadaanan yung provincial capital ng Isabela. Dito ginaganap ang taunang Bambanti Festival. Literally, minutes away lang talaga from provincial capital. So second advantage ng build to sell sa California Homes na 3-bedroom house, completed properties like those at California Home Subdivision comes with minimal risk of delay, design changes, or incomplete construction. Buyers gain confidence in their investment, knowing they are purchasing a finished, high-quality home. Under build-to-sell dito sa California Home Subdivision, marireduce yung risk sa delay and incomplete construction kasi minsan, di ba nangyayari, nakapag-shell out ka na ng huge amount of money pero hindi natatapos yung bahay. So dito, sa build-to-sell ng California Home Subdivision, yung bahay, ready for occupancy na siya and available na for immediate move-in. Number 3 advantage, ability to inspect. Buyers can visit the unit, inspect layout, assess the space, and visualize its usability before purchase. It gives assurance about the property's quality and suitability for the buyer's needs. Eto na, pakana na tayo sa entrance ng California Home Subdivision. Since nga build to sell yung i-offer ng California Home Subdivision, ang advantage niyan, pag binisit nyo yung unit kapag tapos na, makikita nyo na talaga yung actual size. Mabivisualize nyo na talaga. O ito pala yung binibili nyo na 3-bedroom with toilet and bath. And ito yung space niya para sa car garage. Sa ngayon, dito sa merkado, sa Isabela, ito palang California Homes ang alam natin na may offer ng build to sell. So ito, California Homes, turn right lang tayo. And mararating natin yung location ng kanilang block priority for house construction. Yan, and tuloy natin. Number 4 advantages of build to sell ng California Home Subdivision, no construction financing required. Buyers only need to secure financing for the completed property, avoiding the hassle of staggered payment during construction. This simplifies budgeting for buyers and reduces exposure to financial risk tied to unfinished project. So yun nga, hindi kailangan ng malakihang cash out kapag nagpapagawa ng bahay. Kasi kung ikaw yung mismo magpapagawa ng bahay, merong progressive billing yan based sa certain percentage nung construction ng unit mo. Kaya nga dyan yung madalas na sinasabi na all out na yung budget for house construction, hindi pa rin tapos yung pinapagawang bahay. So dito, makakasiguro ka na secured yung iyong hard-earned money dahil ready for occupancy na yung mga unit. O ito, turn left naman tayo papunta dun sa priority block ng California Homes for Construction. Yan, number 5 na advantage ng build to sell, potential for immediate use or rental. Buyers can move in, lease, or use the property for income generation immediately after purchase. Investor can start earning return quickly, and families benefit from instant accommodation. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng i-occupy as soon as possible, pwedeng paupahan right away. So ito yung landmark. Nandito ngayon ang location ng ating titignan na priority block for build to sell na ginagawa na ang mga bahay kahit wala pang buyer bago i-offer sa merkado. So kung sakali naman na inyong magustuhan na yung location na ongoing pa rin ang construction ng mga bahay, pwede na rin naman kayong magpa-reserve para makasecure kayo ng slot. Then once na ready na yung house, pwede nyo i-occupy, pwede nyo paupahan. Just imagine, for a minimal investment of 5% dong price, pwede ka na mag-occupy ng unit. So pag pinaupahan mo yan, self-liquidated na yung property. Pero kung ang need talaga ay maka-occupy this unit, perfectly for you. Number 6 advantage ng build to sell ng California Homes is fixed pricing. Buyers enjoy certainty with fixed pricing, avoiding price escalation typically in pre-selling. Transparent pricing helps buyers plan their budget with confidence. Once kasi na ang buyer nagpa-reserve na ng unit, nakalock in na yung price niyan. So katulad nito, nag-reserve ng 10,000 and then yung first 3 months niya, nasa 29,800 lang ang monthly niya, walang interest yan, and then magma-monthly na lamang siya ng average na 22,037 per month for the first 5 years. At makalipas yung first 5 years niya, maiiwan na lang dyan is average of 12,573 per month for Pag-ibig financing. Once na nag-reserve yung client, yun na yung presyo niyan. Kahit nagkaroon ng price adjustment, nakalock in na siya for the old price. Yun ang advantage. So habang ginagawa yung bahay, alam naman natin, kapag nagkakaroon ng improvement sa isang development, tumataas yung presyo. Pero ang advantage, once na na-reserve na niya yan, yan na yung presyo niyan. Yun ang concept ng build to sell. Talagang very favorable talaga sa mga house and lot buyers. And ngayon, next question nyo for sure, why choose California Home Subdivision in Ilagan City? Una, strategic location. Situated in Barangay Alibago, just minutes from Isabela Provincial Capitals, it provides easy access to local events like Bambanti Festivals, schools, and commercial centers. Malapit talaga sa lahat. Then next, spacious designs. Each unit offer 105 square meter lot area and 55 square meter floor area and parking up to 3 car garage. Perfect for growing families. Very spacious talaga. Next one, flexible payment plans with a reservation of 10,000 zero interest terms for the first 3 months and affordable long-term financing via Pag-ibig, owning a home within the reach. Ibig sabihin, napakagaan ng payment terms. Build to sell, your path to immediate risk-free home ownership, is exemplified by California Home Subdivision, where ready for occupancy units are designed to meet the needs of modern buyers. Don't miss your chance to own a home near Ilagan City, cultural and economic hub. Reserve your dream home today.